Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to video 34. This is IFRS 13 fair value measurement, applicable for both SBR and FR students. Objective of IFRS 13 is to provide a single source of guidance for fair value measurement. Note that IFRS 13 does not apply to two standards. One is IFRS 2 and the other one is IFRS 16. Fair value is the price that you would receive to sell an asset in a transaction between market participants at a measurement date. Now, in order to increase comparability between entities, IFRS 13 has established a hierarchy that categorizes input that is used when measuring fair value. There are three levels to measure the fair value: level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 is when you are looking at an active market to get the prices. Usually they are quoted prices where you get a similar assets. You can say identical assets and liabilities. You take that price and that's the fair value. Level 2. Level 2, you might not get identical, but you get a similar prices. Okay. So when you get a similar prices, you have to adjust a price a little bit. Okay. Both for assets or liabilities. And also the prices for identical assets and liabilities where there is not an active market. Level 3, where there are no inputs for you to rely on. That means you have to estimate here in this level. And IFRS 13 is giving priority to level 1 over level 3. That means whenever you have to measure fair value, you have to go by this hierarchy. You have to give the priority to level 1 first. You should always look for the market which is giving you a similar, uh, similar price for identical goods and service. If not, then level 2. Level 3 has to be a last resort when you're not having any prices information from the active market, not for identical, not for similar. Then you have to estimate. Why we are not prioritizing level 3? It is the most riskiest. Okay. Now that's it for IFRS 13, and I shall see you in the next video, that is IFRS 15 revenue.